Hi everyone, I'm Angela. Welcome and welcome back to Angela's Fashion Mix. I hope you've had a fantastic day. Thank you for being here. And if you are new, welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching the videos and making that commitment to subscribe. I certainly do appreciate that. In today's video, I am talking a little bit about what's in store in spring, showing you some colors that are out this time of year. I'm going into CATO, doing a couple try-ons, thinking about a piece or two, and also I am taking you to a new boutique, one old boutique, one new boutique, but I'm introducing you to a new boutique, and it's by two different owners in the same space. So one has housewares kinds of things and the other has fashion, so two for one in the same spot. So I have a new project going on here at home. We have been looking for a new bench for our bedroom, for the foot of the bed. We've been looking for that for a while. Hadn't quite seen what I wanted. Some shapes were good, not really what I wanted. Just all kinds of things with regard to the color schemes or with regard to the wood or just random things that kept us from finding the piece. As I always say, not just with clothing, the piece may be secondhand. So I was in a store a couple of weeks ago, I suppose, and it was a store we had not been in ever. And we stopped in, and lo and behold, guess what I found? Our new bench. Now, it's a wicker bench, and it's a Pier One piece. If you're familiar at all with Pier One, you know their price points on the furniture. And no, I don't mind buying a hard surface piece thrift for my home. Don't mind clothing because I can sanitize, I can launder, I can bleach, I can do all those things. I don't mind that space. It's a solid wood piece with wicker. And so I jumped on that and we've got it home. It's been sanitized and deodorized and everything about it that can be done to wood. So we've got it in place. And so now I've got to make a cushion for the bench. I will let you know how that comes out. And I'm excited because I absolutely love the piece. The contours of the bench go great with the bed. So we're going to be working on that. I'm excited because the bench search is over. Also, with regard to the meet and greet, I will be getting your invites out in the next couple of days. So we fine-tuned a few more things, had to tweak a couple things. Hopefully in the Wednesday video, I will let you know that those have been set up to release. So if you are planning to come, if you are interested by now, unless this is your first time hearing it, by now you should have reached out to me via email to let me know to add you to the interest list. And from that email, I will be sending you an invite. The date is August 16th. It's a Saturday, and we're planning a full day of events. I am so happy to have you here. Go ahead and get your email to me because at some point I will be closing with regard to the number of attendees.
If you have not subscribed, I invite you to subscribe, like, and share the videos. I always appreciate that. And if you shop the live sale, join me on Tuesday the 15th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Doing well.
My name is Amy. I have a lot of stuff to sell.
Yeah.
Yeah. All of them.
This is pretty.
Yeah.
I love the grain on that.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. And that?
Yep, that's nice.
Very nice.
Mm-hmm.
So anything in particular you want to showcase?
Yes.
You want to tell us about this?
Yeah.
For entertaining?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. This for jewels. For tea. I have teacup too.
Cute.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
And what about these pieces here?
Yeah, this is for food.
Mm-hmm.
You can make your food, warm it for 24 hours.
Nice.
Warm up.
Okay.
Yeah, this is for teacup too. I have this one too. Yep.
Okay.
If you want the all set, you can have that.
All right.
If you want it separate, you can have that too.
Okay.
This one, the gold one.
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
Yes, thank you. This is for sugar. You can make your sugar or milk or anything you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what are your hours?
No.
Open?
I open 10 to 9 o'clock.
Every day?
Yes, every day. Or soft Sunday.
Except Sunday.
Yes.
All right.
Sunday. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Fina Closet. So I sell clothes and shoes, handbags. Like most of my clothes, I bought them in Morocco myself.
Morocco.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And also I have some dresses from Dubai, like this kind.
Mm-hmm.
They all handmade, most of them. So I bought them by myself. All this come from Dubai.
Oh, pretty.
Yeah, nice. And also I have some bags. It's 100% leather. And you see, it's so many choices.
Oh,
And
this is
some
cute.
shoes. Yeah.
Love that.
So, and this Valentino, I
Mm-hmm.
have some shoes right here too.
Okay.
You see the quality?
Yeah.
Yeah. I have many stuff on the way. Jewelry I'm wearing. You see, some Van Cleefs. Yeah, so I have many stuff on the way. Some dresses from Dubai. With the scarf. Yeah. So that's it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right. And your hours are
Usually I'm here 12 to 7 p.m.
Monday through Saturday?
Saturday, yeah.
All
We are
right.
closed on Sunday.
Awesome.
Thank you so very much.
Is this overtime? I don't see anything that says what the markdown value is.
Look.
Oh, there's been a snake in the building. This is a suede. I would like that for the pillows. What do you think of that?
Yeah, I know you wanted that, dog.
This is $25 and 60% off.
No.
You can't bring it back.
I know.
It's not as dark as the wicker, but I think I like it.
Yeah.
I think I like it. This is a faux suede.
Yeah.
See, I think I like the other one better because you're not going to see the prints like when you're sitting on it.
Right.
I think the suede is going to have that directional, and I don't think I like that as much.